All right, so this is a quick video on first how to make a PDF file using the notes on an iPhone, and then how to upload to the discussion board when it doesn't show in the Canvas student app. So first you have, this is only for iPhone, so let me clarify that. First you're going to go to Notes. You're going to start a new note down here, and you're going to click the camera icon. When you do that, you can see the scan documents. So we're going to click that. And basically a camera pulls up. So you're going to hold your, here, let's get something smaller. You're going to hold, pretend this is assignment A or whatever assignment you want to work. And you have multiple pages of this, okay? So you're going to hold your, yeah, and so you're going to hold the camera over that. Let's see if I can do that with this one too. Okay, so maybe I'll have 2 pages. It's not pretty because I'm trying to hold and do multiple things at a time, and it even took a picture, funny enough, of my keyboard. But if your keyboard wasn't there, you would just hold it over the document and it would take the picture, okay? So once you do that, you're gonna be able to click right here and see the 2 different pictures. And I just took a picture of a Post-it and then of my notebook, and it happened to capture the keyboard. Let's say I don't want the keyboard in it, and it only captured the small part that I wrote on, but again, as you're working through the document, it should capture more. This was not a great scan. So here, we're going to drag the edges to the actual document that I want to make it more accurate. And then we'll hit done, and it will really only save the part that I have highlighted, okay? You could also retake. I probably should have done that, but that's okay. We're gonna hit done. And once you are done making any corrections and done uploading everything, then we're gonna hit save right here. And you can see this is now one document, one file. It also does text recognition, so it's recognizing that this is assignment A because I had that labeled on the page. But that's okay. It doesn't matter really what the name of this file is, okay? So this is one PDF file with 2 pages in it. From there, you're going to click on it. You can see both pages there. We're going to hit the little button up here in the corner, and you have lots of options here. So if this was an upload to the final submission or an assignment in Canvas, it will show in your Canvas student app. But for the discussion board, for some reason, it does not show in the Canvas student app. So what we want to do is actually save this to our phone. So we're going to go right here, save to files, and you may not even use this, but that's okay. So we're going to go save to files. And you have some options here, and one of those is to save it on your iPhone, and the other one is iCloud Drive. So if you have iCloud and you use that a lot and you have enough storage for that, I would click that. I'm just going to click on my iPhone right now, and then I'm going to hit save. Let's try that again. On my iPhone and hit save. There we go. It took it a minute to load because I have a lot of things on my iPhone. Okay. All right. So from there, you're done with the document. So we're going to just close it out. You can exit out of that. I would maybe save this until you make sure it uploads. Okay. So what I want to do here is go to your student app. So I'm going to Canvas Student. You can download this in the App Store. Let me go back. Sorry about that. And you can see your list of courses here along with some other like announcements and things like that. Okay. So these are my 2 courses. Depending on which course you're in, we'll click on that. And you're basically wanting to navigate to the discussion board. So I want to go to modules. That's going to be how you get to it. And I'm going to scroll down to where it says Step 5, post draft to assignment A discussion. And depending on your class, just make sure it may be a different step, but it should say post draft to assignment A discussion. And when you click on this, it will automatically take you to the discussion board in your team. So, or your group, whatever group you've been assigned, it will automatically take you there, okay? So you can read through this if you want, but in order to post this, you're going to scroll down and hit reply. And then here's the key. You're going to click that little attach. So we're going to attach and we're going to upload file. And now you have to be able to find it on this. So if you upload a file and you have, and you'll have to ignore all these other things, boomerangs and other things, okay? But if you upload a file to your phone, it should show up here in recents, okay? If you don't see it here, you could browse and find it here wherever you saved it in your iCloud drive, okay? So I just saved it in the iCloud drive, but I'm gonna go back and I actually see it. See, there's on my phone. And there's my assignment A. So you have some options there. So when I click that, it's going to show up. It may take it a minute, but you can see that that is a 1 right there. That means it's there. And then you're going to type your message right here. So this is going to be, hi, my name is Emily. My major is mathematics. I like to watch, right now I'm obsessed with 90 Day Fiance. I like to dance and read in my spare time. And on assignment A, I really struggled with this. Say all that. Whatever I said to say in this draft discussion post, that's what you're saying. And then you're going to hit send. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to post on the discussion board and for all y'all to see it, okay? So you would hit send and you're done. All right? You could also do the same thing after you make your draft. You could go back and save it on your phone and then go straight from this modules again, and you're going to upload it to that assignment A final submission. Okay, so once you do your discussion board, you're going to wait on 2 people to comment on your post. You're going to make your corrections, and then by Sunday, you're going to upload to this final submission. Now, if you've already done that, you probably shouldn't. You need to wait until you have comments on your post, okay, so that you make sure you get it right. You don't want to upload it too soon. All right, and I just want to show you what that looks like real quick. So this one's a little bit different. We're going to scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see submission and rubric. So this is if you're uploading the final submission. And then right here with files, you're going to click that. Well, don't put it in comments. Can we just say that? Don't put it in comments. Maybe it's just taking a minute. I know how some of y'all feel sometimes. It's super frustrating. Okay, I'm going to stop the video, but I did show you, I want to show you real quick. I don't know why this is not pulling up, but it should pull up and allow you to upload it here. But hopefully that will work for you and not for me. It could be the internet or various other things. I want to stop real quick and show you if you are going back to notes. You can, if you have the Canvas student app, you can directly upload into the final submission. So here we click on assignment A. We're going to click on the send, and likely it's not going to show up in your list right here. So we're going to scoot over. And if it doesn't, mine shows up right here because I've been using it. So this is your frequently used apps. But if it doesn't, you'll click more and find it in your list. Okay, so mine happens to be right here. Yours may be further down. So I have student, and then this is where you're going to click course. You're going to find your course. So let's go find, I know I have a lot because I'm in like 28 different sections. Thank God I only teach 2 of them. Click on your course, and yours may be H005, that's fine. And then click assignment. And notice the only thing that's available for you right here, or the first thing that pops up, is the assignment A final submission. So then you can hit submit and it will automatically go. You don't have to leave comments for me, okay? I'll just get a notification that you left a comment, and often students just say, hey, I uploaded this. And I'm like, okay.